Welcome everyone. You may be in a situation where your iPad Pro screen is stuck or not responding. So you can see here I'm on Twitter. I'm doing everything. I'm sliding up. I'm tapping the screen. Like I'm actually tapping. You can see nothing is happening. What on earth is going on? Click the volume buttons. Like nothing's working. Okay. What on earth is going on? Well, what's happened is your iPad is frozen or guided access is blocking you. So in order to fix the frozen iPad, let's do a force restart. In order to do a force restart, check the model of iPad Pro you have. So to check this, do you have a home button? Okay, if you do have a home button, then follow the following steps. Just click and hold the power and home button together. Don't release, just click and hold, keep on holding, keep on holding. Don't release, just keep on holding until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release both the power and home button together. If that didn't work, just try it again. The power and home button must be held together, okay? And make sure you didn't release either button, because if you release for a split second, then it won't work. Now on this iPad Pro here, without the home button, do the following steps instead. So you're going to click and release volume up, click and release volume down, and then click and hold the power button, okay? So let's do this together. 3, just get your iPad Pro, then pause, come back. So 3, 2, 1, click release volume up, click release volume down, click and hold the power button, just keep it held down. You probably won't see anything on screen, just keep it held down. Don't release, keep it held down. Do not release, you can see a black screen, just keep it held down. Keep it held down, keep on pressing. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release. Now the key combination is quite complex, so if you haven't done it before, there is a chance that you failed it, so just give it 5 attempts. Just double check, if you feel like not doing it, then just keep on trying it to get it done correctly. If you ever, release the power button by accident while you're holding, then it won't work, you have to try again, and eventually you should be force restarted and good to go. Now if it doesn't work, then there's a couple of more options you could take. So let's say, the screen starts working for a little bit, then stops working. What I do recommend you do is this. So try while the screen is working for a little bit, go to settings, general, software update, and try and quickly get the update to install on your iPad Pro, and make sure you have automatic updates on. Because what may happen is you're on an older software version which has the touchscreen issue. Upgrading the software will fix the touchscreen issue, okay? Now you may not be able to do this, so I'm just showing it because if you're having the issue, this is worth a shot taking. If that doesn't work, what happens is the screen cable connector has come loose. Now I'm going to show you an insane fix. You may think it's insane because I just said it's insane. It works though. So what you're going to do is, I saw this from my World Attack, is a beautiful fix, is we're going to do the 2-finger fix. So I'm going to move the camera down a bit. Okay, let's move it down so I can show you. So if you can, lock the screen. And so we're going to get 2 fingers and we're going to press really hard on the screen, and we're going to go all the way around, okay? So we're going to go like this. Make sure you do it really hard, okay? Really hard. Go all the way around. All the way around. It's like a little massage, okay? All the way around. Fingers should feel a little bit of strain because you're pressing really hard. Boom, okay? Do this a couple of times and then try again. See if the screen is working. If it is, cool. If it isn't, then do this. Go to the back of the iPad Pro and do the exact same thing, okay? I'm not doing it, but do the exact same thing. Do keep in mind though, when you get to like the camera, go around the camera area, okay? Make sure of course you don't have a case on, have a case off, just case on, just remove the case, try again, and then that should hopefully solve the issue. So check if it did. If it didn't solve the issue, we're then going to do a massage. So flip the screen, so the screen area. So we just want to, like this, like go around like this. If you want to, you can just put a cloth on as well to remove the smudges. Just go like this, press hard, move the fingers together, massage all the way around. Just go all the way around like this, okay? Massaging, see if that solves the issue. If it does solve the issue, hey, that's pretty cool. Your DIY fix completely free. If it did not solve the issue, you're gonna have to contact Apple. They may be able to just replace the iPad for free if it's under warranty. If it's a simple fix that they recognize, they could do it for free. However, they may have to charge you money for screen replacement or an iPad replacement, God forbid. So just be prepared. You may need to spend some money in order to solve. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.